Good day and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to bisect a line using the above question. That is, we'll be solving the above question. So the question says, draw a line AB 80 millimeter long and bisect it. So we'll start by drawing our 80 millimeter line. So from the question, they say AB, they say line AB, that is, I will label my line AB. So now it is time to bisect line AB. So I will do so by placing my compass on point either A or B. So I will start with point B. So the pin of my compass is on point B. Then I will adjust the compass in such a way that the pencil, in such a way that the radius of the compass is at least greater than half line AB, but less than line AB in length. That is like approximately this. Then I will cut arc this way. Then using the same radius, I will place my compass on point A. Then I will cut arc to intersect the previous arc. So I will label this point. That is the point where the arcs intersect at the top. And also this point. Then I will draw a line passing through point C and point D. I will also label this point. That is the point where this line intersects the horizontal line. Now all that is left is the dimension. So we are done with the above question. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. If you have any question on engineering and technical drawing in general, you can message me on WhatsApp. The number displayed is my WhatsApp number. Thank you.